Okay, checking out this fifth wheel here. This is the Alliance.
Alliance Avenue 30 RLS.
There you go. Nice RV. And how long has Alliance been out? This is the first I heard of them.
2 years now.
Oh,
so,
2 years.
Yep, 2 years. Yeah. This is our first Hershey RV show though, so
okay.
It was canceled last year, and so this is our first time in the show.
Oh, okay. And
I'm one of the founders actually of Alliance RV.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Now on the furniture here, who makes the furniture?
This comes from Lippert.
Okay, it's not that pane.
No, we use a different type of Kensington collection.
Oh, okay.
Through Lippert, but yeah, all warranty. That fabric has a 3-year fabric warranty, which is nice. And
nice windows. Look at the windows on this. Big windows. And the price point on this one is about $61,900 or something.
This one is $61,900. Overall length is 33 feet.
33 feet.
Yep. Alliance RV though has the Valor product here.
Nice pantry.
And we have the pair.
But your salesman out there said they also come in. You can also get them with the residential, which is what, an upgrade.
Yeah, it's not much though.
Not much. Yeah, these things probably cost more than a residential refrigerator.
This is, well, in our big stuff it's a no charge change, but in this one right here, it goes from a 12 cubic foot to a 15 cubic foot. Alliance RV display, I want to show you the new Avenue, the all new Avenue. This is the first show that we have this product on display. The Avenue is a mid-profile fifth wheel, so it's a little bit lighter in weight and a little bit shorter in length than some of our Paradigm full-profile fifth wheels. But you can see here there's still outstanding storage in the passenger storage.
This is what I like.
This floor plan is built on a wide-body chassis, which is a huge feature for any full-time fifth wheeler that wants a little extra space on the interior. So
this is the one you were saying for full-timers.
This is for full-timers as well as our Paradigm, yes. The nice thing though again is it's a wide body. If you look at this segment in the market, on the fifth wheel market, nobody's doing wide body. So you can see here you got cable prep for outside TV.
What do you mean when you say wide body? What do you mean by wide body?
So the chassis, instead of being 96 inches wide, it's 101 inches wide. So it's essentially 5 inches wider than the other products.
You can still take it. You can legally take it on the road.
You can take it on the road legally, yeah. So compared to the other brands that are out there, closed, and you wanted to have an outside TV, you can take it the 110 and the cable down through there and out.
If there's brackets for a TV.
There's no brackets. You can mount it right here. There's a backer there.
Okay.
But in the event that you didn't want this thing wide open, you want to bring your TV out here more.
Right.
Underneath your awning, you could take it down through that.
Okay. Nice
so
awning.
big awning. Actually, there's 2 awnings standard on this bunkhouse floor plan. This is the 30.
These are electric awnings.
These are electric awnings. Yes.
And who makes them?
Those come from Lippert.
Oh, Lippert. Okay. And this is 2 axles, 7,000, or are these 6,000?
This is a 7,000-pound axle on this particular floor plan.
And you have an outside kitchen on this one
we
here?
have an outside kitchen. We got a little sink here, along with a refrigerator.
What's this here?
That's where everything from the sink goes.
Oh, okay, I got you. So it has its own black tank then, or?
Every Avenue has its own black tank, yes.
No, this sink here don't this don't have its own black tank though.
No.
Okay. And a nice little refrigerator. There's no stove or anything like that. Do you have propane hookups?
Propane hookups.
You can use your propane.
A quick connect we do not, but this does have electric landing gear standard.
Okay.
All the Avenues have electric landing gear standard.
You just push it. That's what I have on mine now.
Yes.
You just push a button and they level themselves, and then we'll check out the inside here. The price on this one is $69,999 for the show price. Oh, okay. This is what you call a bunkhouse, then, right?
Yeah. The nice thing though too is you got a nice living area with this bunkhouse, and in the back here you can sleep an extra 4 people. so it's great for families, and it does have an extra half bathroom. So this one has a bath and a half.
Storage compartments. A bath, yeah, you say a bath and a half?
Yes.
So all your furniture is made by the same person?
Correct.
You don't put
everything's from Lippert, yes.
And this is a Dematic, so this is a propane electric refrigerator.
12 gallon, or excuse me, 12 cubic feet.
And a nice sink.
And the nice thing too is you'll see in here is there's no carpet, and this has got a plush floor kitchen slide. So that's a nice feature, not having any carpet, easy to clean, more pet friendly.
What's that down there?
That's just saying that basically it's, oh, that's a drawer.
Oh, okay. So that's not like an oven or a warmer.
Yeah, the oven's right here.
Yeah, yeah.
Center island.
Okay. Nice microwave. We'll take you said it had 2 baths?
Yeah, it was around the corner there on the bottom.
Okay. And we'll check the upstairs out here. And it looks like you have special dimmers here?
Yes, dimming switches here, and then you got a king size bed up front here with a beautiful walk-in closet.
King size bed. A nice walk-in closet. They're not doing. Back in the days, they used to do cedar line, but they don't. You don't see them anymore. They don't do them anymore.
Some people, I don't know. I think it's pretty easy if you wanted to cedar line after the fact, aftermarket. It's pretty easy. This one's got 2 air conditioner standard. Yes.
Okay. And then the bathroom with a nice shower, really nice shower. And a nice porcelain commode.
It is, yeah, and it's the nice thing about this. It's
oh, it has the
soft close, so it won't come clanking down.
And then I see it has the water comes out.
Yeah.
There's water down.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Nice, very porcelain toilet. Very nice toilet.
Is that made by Dematic as well?
That is made by Dematic, yes.
Dematic. Okay, let's check out another one of their Alliance RVs here. Put my head on the 5th wheel thing here.
Okay, so next up I wanted to show you guys, you guys have seen, I've shown you the Valor, I've shown you an Avenue. Now let's look at a Paradigm, which is the very first brand that we came out with at Alliance RV back in January of 2020. This floor plan here is the 370 FB. FB stands for a front bath floor plan. But I want to, before we walk in, show this pass-through storage here is tremendous for that full-timer. Very, very nice on the storage capabilities. This is a wide body, 5th wheel, wide body construction, meaning 101 inches wide. So it's, again, great for the residential side of things. As we walk in here,
okay, that last one we looked at, that was a full-timer too.
Yes, it was. The Avenue was a full-timers as well, and so was the Valor. So they're all rated for full-time use.
Rated for full-time.
This one here is going to be a little bit taller in height, and a little bit, you'll see some longer lengths here in the Paradigm setup. But you can see right when we walk in, you can see it's got a solid step from Lippert, very wide. So as you see me walking up here, very easy to get in, very stable coming up with a big, huge grab handle. 2 awnings are standard on this 370 FB and every single Paradigm 5th wheel that we produce. So there are 2 awnings. And then walking in.
Oh, and also you have I noticed you have the Asdale.
Yes, every one of the Alliance products has Asdale construction.
And Asdale is basically, you don't really get the lamination.
Yeah, so it's
like an artificial wood.
Exactly, and it's the glue adheres to it better, which is why you get less delamination. It's also a little bit lighter in weight, which is nice. But as you walk in here, you can see our Kensington Collection furniture. Very nice theater seats that do fold out with a electric power source there. Fold down cup holders, which is nice. You'll see here the freestanding dinette table with, actually these should have storage. This actually does not, because it's a subs that we just got, unfortunately, because of some supply chain
Mine has storage, but I don't really use them anyways.
Yeah, but as you can see here, 50-inch smart TV. Back in the back here, we have the flip-up storage there.
Very nice, very nice. And storage, I take it over there as well. A nice fireplace.
Nice.
I like
That's
the
a pull out. That storage does come out and pull out here for additional storage behind.
Ooh, very nice.
Very nice there. That was a little screechy. Need a little WD-40 on that.
Yeah, really. Residential refrigerator. Or
Yes,
is that
refrigerator.
a nice big microwave. Is this a conventional oven too, or?
That's a no. That's just a residential microwave. Yeah.
4-burner
we don't
stove.
do the convection because of how big that oven is there.
Okay, that.
Big, huge residential oven.
Oh, residential oven there.
That's a monster.
You can make a
biggest,
nice. You can make a big turkey in there.
You can see how big that is there.
Yeah, look how big that is in there. A nice. Oh no, this is
This is a normal 18 cubic
So
foot.
this isn't a residential, or is it a residential?
This is a RV refrigerator, gas electric.
Gas electric.
Yeah.
And then
pantry there.
And then a nice pantry. And then I would think, is this another bathroom here?
Yes, it is. Yep.
Okay, yeah, there we go. Nice porcelain commode. Nice countertop. Hey! And this is the half bath.
And you can
And what's this here?
that's your converter.
Oh, okay. I thought maybe it might have been a central vac or something.
No.
Convert. Okay, there's all your fuses.
And what I like here, if you can zoom in, you can see there. That's all notated of what exactly everything is here.
Exactly everything is, yeah.
So it's easily diagnosed.
And then your control panel here for your slides. And you say they're electric or are they hydraulic?
These are all hydraulic.
Hydraulic, okay. And then you have different thermostats for different areas then?
Yep, the 3 air conditioners.
And that's for that
The max air fan in the
air
kitchen
fan
area.
there.
Again,
And you also have a this is something new I noticed. Is this
Yeah, we
something
do.
new?
We've done that since day one in our Paradigm product, but it is newer to the industry.
And
now
then walking up into the bedroom here. Explain the bedroom. It looks like a nice king-size bed here.
In the bedroom here, we've got a king-size bed standard, and a couple of nightstands on each side. What I liked here too is you got the 3 windows in here, so you get a lot of nice natural lighting in here.
Yeah.
And then we can walk in here. You'll see here it's got an LG Smart TV standard. It's got fold-up storage underneath there. Yep. And those drawers come all the way out, which is nice. So you got excellent storage capabilities. Even back here, you'll see there is storage underneath here as well.
Oh, okay.
And that does fold up. So nice little seating area there to put your shoes on, get dressed.
This is about a 36 footer.
No, overall length in this one's 40 feet.
Oh, this is 40?
So as you can see up here, look at how big this master suite is here. This is
Oh yeah, this
nice.
bathroom here. Look at that shower. You look at that shower.
Big shower you can easily fit in. This is a fold-up wood teak seat here, which is nice.
And you get your porcelain toilet here.
And then a big closet here with washer dryer prep.
And a huge closet in here. And there's where your washer and dryer would go.
This is a laundry chute here.
Laundry chute. Okay. Nice. And what was the price on this one?
I have to walk back down. I didn't note it on.
See the
when I
price.
walked to walk out and check the look.
Okay, the last fifth wheel we looked at here was $86,999 with the MSRP of $110,513. And we're going to look at one more.
That's it. Those are the 3 brands. Now you can take videos of anything else you want.
Oh, okay.
But there's all sorts of other products in here. But
Okay, well,
so I'll let you make yourself at home and just kind of do your thing.
thank you very much.
You got
for
my
showing.
card,
Yes,
and
sir.
call me anytime.
All right.
All right, very good. Thank you.
Thank you for showing. Okay, we'll walk around here and check out some more of the Alliance here. Look at the basement on this one here. What I like about the Alliance is the big compartment for your propane. You'd have no problem putting a propane bottle in here. And a nice big basement. Here's a Valor by Alliance. This one looks like it has a generator on it. Looks like it's a hydraulic with the jacks. The basement on it. They have quite a few of them here. Another 13-foot garage on this one here. Oh, check out this with this. This one here has a side patio on it here.